Good morning. Welcome to MEDS Gurukul channel. How are you? I hope you will be healthy and happy. I request to you, please subscribe this channel and also share this video in your friend circle. Today I am solving the rest question of exercise 8.2. But first let me solve the question that gave you for practice. Okay. Question for practice. Question number 1. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equal to 5 cm and angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Determine the lengths of the side BC and AC. Okay. Solution 1. Given AB is equal to 5 cm. Angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. Now I am drawing a triangle A, B and C. Angle B is 90 degree, ACB is equal to 30 degree, AB is equal to 5 cm. The first question say find side BC. Okay, side BC. I know tan 30 degree is equal to AB by BC, perpendicular by base. So I write here tan 30 degree is equal to AB by BC. Therefore the value of tan 30 is equal to 1 by root under 3 is equal to AB 5 cm by BC. Implies BC is equal to 5 root 3. Cross multiply, then BC is equal to 5 root 3 cm. Again because the next again I find AC. In the figure AC is hypotenuse, so I am taking sin 30 perpendicular by hypotenuse, because sin 30 degree is equal to AB by AC. Therefore the value of sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by AC. Implies AC is equal to 5 to 10. 5 to 10 centimeter. Hence BC is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter and AC is equal to 10 centimeter. Answer. The next question. Question number 2. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PQ is equal to 3 centimeter and PR is equal to 6 centimeter. Determine angle QPR and angle PRQ. Solution 2. Given angle Q is equal to 90 degree, PQ is equal to 3 centimeter, PR is equal to 6 centimeter. Now I am draw a right angle triangle PQR. Q is equal to 90 degree, PQ is equal to 3 centimeter, PR is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. Then first PQR, QR. Now I let sine, if I taking sine R, then perpendicular by hypotenuse. So because sine R is equal to PQ by PR, therefore sine R is equal to 3 by 6, 3 1 3 3 2 are 6, implies sine R is equal to 1 by 2, implies sine R is equal to, I know in sine the value of sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 is equal to sine 30, implies R is equal to 30 degree. Now in triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree, implies angle P is equal to 180 degree minus angle Q minus angle R is equal to 180 degree minus angle Q is equal to 90 degree and angle R is equal to 30 degree, implies 180 minus 90, 930, 120 is equal to 60 degree. Therefore angle QPR is equal to 60 degree and hence angle PRQ is equal to 30 degree. Answer. Now the next question, question number 3. If sine A minus B is equal to 1 by 2, cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2, where A plus B is greater than 0 but equal and less than 90 degree, A is greater than B, find A and B. Solution. Three. Given sine A minus B is equal to 1 by 2, implies sine A minus B is equal to sine 30 degree, implies A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Equation 1. Again cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2, implies cos A plus B is equal to cos 60 degree. The value of 1 by 2 in cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2, implies A plus B is equal to 60 degree. Equation 1. Adding equation 1 and 2, A minus B is equal to 30 degree, A plus B is equal to 60 degree. B we cancel, 2A is equal to 90 degree, divided 90, then I get him 40, 45. Therefore A is equal to 45 degree. Now I am putting the value of A in equation 1. Now putting the value of A in equation 1. 45 minus B is equal to 30 degree, implies 45 minus 30 degree is equal to B. B minus B go to other side, then plus B. 30 go to the other side, so minus 30, implies 15 is equal to B. Hence A is equal to 45 degree and B is equal to 15 degree. Answer. Now the next question of exercise 8.2. Okay. Question number 4. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Question number 1. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. Now solve. Sin A plus B. Okay. This is not true. This is a false statement. Now justify this. Let A is equal to 60 degree, B is equal to 30 degree. Okay. So sin A plus B is equal to sin 60 plus 30 is equal to sin 90 degree. The value of sin 90 degree is equal to 1. Again sin A plus sin B is equal to sin 60 degree plus sin 30 degree. The value of sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 and the value of sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Now LCM is 2, root 3 plus 1. Okay. This is not equal. Here is the value sin 90 degree is 1 and so this is not true. The statement is false. False. Okay. Next. The value of sin theta increase as theta increase. Now this is true statement because the value of sin 0 is equal to 0 but sin 90 degree is equal to 1. Now from 0 to 1 this is increase. When the theta is increased then the value is also increased. So this statement is true. Okay. Question number 3. The value of cos theta increases as theta increases. This is false because cos 0 degree is equal to 1 but cos 90 degree is equal to 0. Now theta is increased but the value is decreased from 1 to 0. So this is false. Okay. Now the next question. Question number 4. Sin theta is equal to cos theta for all value of theta. No. This is false. Because sin 0 degree is equal to 0 but cos 0 degree is equal to 1. This is not equal. So this statement is false. 4. Cot A is not defined for a angle is 0. This statement is true because cot 0 degree is not defined according to the table. Okay. Now your exercise 8.2 is completed. In the next video we start exercise 8.3, but before we also see the formula that used in exercise 8.3. Okay. Good night. Thank you.